Hindi po kami nagbigay ng authorization po, yung BAI po.
Oh,
I'm just stating the fact po that BAI issued the
pa
authorization.
na-approve sa Vietnam, na-approve lang July 2023. Bakit kayo mag-field trial ng earlier
Yes,
than that?
I think that it's the BAI.
Bakit ka susunod sa kanya? Bakit tagnunungin mo muna ako? Huwag ka
Opo.
sumagot.
Opo.
Kayo ang kumpanya eh. Bakit kayo sumasagot? Sagutin mo, FDA. Vietnam government will export 2 million vaccine doses against African swine fever to the Philippines in October. The vaccine to be shipped to the Philippines is produced for commercial use by AVAC Vietnam, JSC, AVAC, ASF Life. It's co-developed by Vietnamese companies and researchers from the United States. The Vietnamese government also said that the company has already shipped 300,000 doses to the Philippines since its approval. But that was in July 2. Oo. Kaya lang, supposed to be pupunta as field trial. Kaya lang, in June 2, 2023, BAI Assistant Director Arlene Vitiaco said they have recommended the AVAC doses, which have been proven effective following the completion of safety and efficacy trials in at least 6 areas in Luzon. Vitiaco noted that 100% of the hogs vaccinated during the trials produced antibodies and showed no ill or side effects. This is June 2, 2023. Inapprove lang ng Vietnam, July 2023. Bakit nauna ka pa sa Vietnam?
That was po yung ating field trial na first
Pwede
field
ba
trial.
mag-field trial nang hindi sinasabi ng FDA? July 2023 lang in-approve ng Vietnam, gagamitin mo na ang field trial dito at tapos ka na by June 2, 2023.
Ma'am, may special import permit po yan from FDA.
When?
Madam Chair.
You give me that special import permit. Can
Madam Chair.
ikaw ang magbibigay nun? Oh.
Madam Chair,
We recognize the Yes.
if I may, I'm from.
Bakit tagnunungin mo muna ako? Huwag ka
Opo.
sumagot.
Opo.
Kayo ang kumpanya eh. Bakit kayo sumasagot? Sagutin mo, FDA.
Yes po, the FDA granted the approval for the importation. It granted the approval on June 23 only for clinical trial.
June 20,
The
June 23, ang date nito, June 2, 2023.
Yes po.
In-approve sa Vietnam, July 2023. Nag-grant ka, anong date ka nag-grant sa Pilipinas?
The June 23 po yung
Anong June? Anong June?
June 2023 po. Yung
Anong date sa June?
23 po.
June 23.
June
Ba't
23.
natapos yung field trial niya ng June 2, 2023? Paano yon? Please explain to me. May field trial siya na natapos ng June 2, 2023. Sabi mo, in-approve mo June 23, 2023.
Okay, sorry po. I will correct myself po. The BAI po kasi on May 23, 2023, endorsed to FDA issuance of special import permit for 600,000 doses for phase 2 clinical trial nila po.
Phase 2 yan. We're talking
Phase
of
2.
phase 1 eh.
At the phase 1 po, on December 2 naman, 2022, 2023, BAI issued authorization to import ASF vaccine and test kits signed by Dr. Limson po, the BAI
Bakit kayo
director.
nagpa-import hindi nga na-approve
Hindi po
sa
kami
Vietnam?
nagbigay ng authorization po, yung BAI po.
Oh,
I'm just stating the fact po that BAI issued the
pa
authorization.
na-approve sa Vietnam, na-approve lang July 2023. Bakit kayo mag-field trial ng earlier
Yes,
than that?
I think that it's the BAI.
Bakit ka susunod sa kanya?
We are not following po
Hindi ka nag-issue.
we did not issue any
So, sino nag-issue?
BAI po.
Bakit siya mag-i-issue?
That I do not know po. Because
Is she authorized to issue?
they are not authorized po kasi we received a letter nga po on December 2, 2022. Ang sabi po ni Director Limson to DG Sakate is this certification is being issued for the application pa nila for ASF vaccine registration in the Philippines. And the registration is,
Exportation.
Hindi po.
Registration pa lang. Oo.
no po, mauuna po kasi yung clinical trial before registration. Yung registration po kasi is,
In-approve yun.
hindi po siya in-approve for commercial use.
Bakit ka magki-clinical trial nang hindi approve sa Vietnam?
Source.
Kung yung source, hindi pa nila na-approve. July 2 lang nila, July 2023 nila i-approve. Bakit tayo magki-clinical trial earlier than that? Kung sila na gumawa, hindi nga nila pa na-approve, tayo mauna pa. Bakit tayo so excited? Ha? Why are we so excited? You answer, Assistant Director. Why are you so excited?
Sorry. Ma'am, ito po, sorry ma'am. This was agreed upon by VITAC and endorsed po ng aming director. Nagkataon lang po yung sa press statement. Ako lang po kasi ang spokesperson, kaya nirelay ko lang po yung results ng trial. Yeah, as spokesperson po ng, yes ma'am.
Assistant Director ka eh.
Yes ma'am, as spokesperson po ng BAI, na-relay ko lang po yung results
Bakit
ng
kung
clinical
ikaw,
trial.
Director, bakit mo aaprobahan yung hindi nga approve sa Vietnam, aaprobahan mo sa Pilipinas?
Ma'am, yun pong marami na po kasing clamor for a solution to ASF.
Hindi naman, maraming clamor sa solution to ASF, but hindi mo bibigyan ng maling solution, di ba? Ang nagko-complain sa inyo, yung mga, ano din eh, mga, yung sector ng ano eh, kino-complain kayo eh. Oh, kayo ikino-complain eh, ng mga sector ng agriculture eh. Sasabihin mong clamor yan. Okay lang na bigyan natin ng solution ng ASF, but hindi para pagkaperahan natin, ha? Ba't nagiging ano nyo yung ganyan? Hindi pa approve sa Vietnam. Vietnam ang gumawa eh. I-importin nyo para mag-clinical trial kayo. Di hintayin nyo muna yung Vietnam, di ba? O, hindi man tayo gumawa niyan eh. Vietnam ang gumawa niya. Kung sila, hindi nga nila ina-approve, ba't natin gagawin? Relative ka daw ng supplier. O, sino relative mo sa supplier?
Ma'am, wala
relative
po.
mo sa supplier?
Ma'am, hindi po ako relative na supplier, sorry.
Siya. Relative ka ng supplier.
Ma'am, hindi po talaga. I am not. Na-meet ko lang, ma'am, actually, yung supplier nung nag-a-apply sila for clinical trial, yung mag-supply dito ng bakuna, but I haven't met them before.
May information na relative ka ng supplier.
Ma'am, hindi po talaga. Sorry po, hindi po talaga, ma'am.
By ano. Kasi binabasa ko to eh. Press release ka ng press release, June 2. July 2023 lang in-approve sa Vietnam eh. Tapos na clinical trial mo by June 2, first phase. Ba't nyo ginagawa yan? Ha? Ano yung reason nyo dyan? Kaya tayo, pinakabobo tayo sa lahat. Nung 1950s, the best tayo sa agriculture. Ngayon, tayo na naiwan na tayo sa agriculture. Tingnan mo dito, phase 1, February 1, 2023 to May 1 to May 2023. So sinasabi mo, FDA, hindi ka nag-issue ng permit.
We only issued po authorization to import the 300,000 doses po yung last. Only for field trial po, not for
Gaano karami ba ang ginagamit sa field trial?
yung alam ko po sa yung isa one of the clinical trials ginawa sa Vietnam, they only use 30
Ano?
they only use around 60.
Ba't ka mag-i-issue
Pigs po.
ng 300,000?
Yes po, ang issuance po kasi ng FDA is we approve it without
Issuance of permit
to
for field trial.
trial lang po.
Ano ang quantity dapat ng field trial?
Yung determination po kasi ng field trial will be based on the clinical trial protocol that they will be
Ilan
prepared.
dapat ang i-important for field trial?
That will depend po dun sa kanilang
Ilan?
clinical trial protocol.
Ikaw,
Definitely,
FDA ka, hindi mo alam kung ano i-allow mo?
Definitely po, it will not be around 300,000.
Ilan?
Uh,
You have an idea.
based
You have been
on-
doing the job for so long.
Yes
You have
po.
an idea.
Based po on the clinical trial done in Vietnam, 60 lang naman po ang kailangan.
Ba't ka nag-issue ng 300,000?
That was po the request that came from Bureau of Animal Industry po.
Ba't kayo nag-request ng 300,000 kung 60,000 lang ang
Yeah,
kailangan?
the BIA po requested. Thank you po.
Dr. Williamson, kasi nagdi-deny na yung assistant mo eh, kaya ikaw na sumagot. Sabi turo mo daw yan eh. Nagtuturuan na kayo eh. Pero siya press release ng press release.
Madam Senator, noon pong time na yon, merong available na vaccine si Vietnam, pero marami pong countries ang nag-aagawan for the
Ay,
supply.
hindi nag-aagawan. Ayaw nga tanggapin na ibang country. Kayo lang ang may gusto eh. Ang Thailand nag-reject na eh. Tapos ang sabi sa press release, it's not 300,000, may dadating pa. 300,000 lang in-issue mo. Ba't sinasabi sa press release, may dadating pang mas malaki? Ano yun? Ano tawag doon? I-smuggle?
If it is not authorized by FDA po, it will be considered smuggled po. Siyempre po.
Kasi sa press release, 600,000. Dapat 60,000 lang. Alam nyo, magpapasa kami ng batas, yung Anti-Agricultural Economic Sabotage Law. Ang ano dyan is life sentence. Kasama ang gobyerno. Pagkasali kayo dyan, pati kayo life sentence and non-bailable. Habang tinatry ang case nyo, ikukulong kayo. Kaya pag-ingatan nyo yan. Hindi biro-biro yan. Kasi one of the reason why tayo nagkakaganito, dahil smuggling, cartel, profiteering, hoarding. Yan lahat life sentence. Whether you are the private sector who did it and yung kasabwat na government. And non-bailable. Kahit mayaman kayo, lagyan nyo yung judge at mawalan kayo, hindi kayo maparusahan, pero nakakulong muna kayo bago mag-decide ang judge.